Alright, team. We are back on the map Airshow. We're going to get this dub. We'll get our 4 iron. We will take it. We will defend our bed. Wait. There we go. And then we're going to rush over to diamond. Use up all of our blocks while our iron is generating. Perfect. Now we have half a ridge built. He's not moving yet. That's good. We have our blocks. Alright, let's go. Alright. Oh, he disconnected after that? Oof. I must have gotten him while he was falling. Alright, we're gonna get Prot and Trap. Ooh, this game is going good. We got him out of the game fast. Let's get Prot, Trap, blocks. Stone sword, extra blocks. Make a quick rush over to Gray, I guess. Leave the diamonds there. Whoa. No! No! I didn't get the diamonds either! Dang it, dude. I was gonna get the diamonds and Gray's bed there, but the stupid guy had to show up and mess stuff up. We're gonna have to go mess him up for that. I don't think anyone's over at white. Maybe I can get sharpness, maybe? Let's see what's here. Not quite yet. Oops. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? How did we kill each other? What? That's just baloney. Maybe if I had bought my iron armor like I thought I should have, I would not have died there. I probably would have been a smart move. Well, we're gonna go sharpness from our gen, head over to white, steal all the resources. Aqua! No! 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 No spending! No! No! He got my 2 diamonds! He's gonna come for me now. Uh-oh. This is not going too well for you, boy. We're gonna go try to get him. Should I go for his bed? No way I go for his bed here. I'm going for it. Nah, that was close. Oh, there goes my bed, but don't void. Yes, alright. And we got sharp and prot. Alright, let's go. We got our iron sword, TNT, gaps. We'll get tons of blocks. Alright. We'll do this here, this here, this here. Boom. What in the world, man? Alright. There are red and green bed left. Yes, there are. Okay. Stop at yellow base. Collect all the resources. Ooh. I'm gonna put this here, this here. There we go. Alright, we're ready for battle. I think it was a smart move to like trade at that position because I might not have been able to fight him off well. So alright, someone has collected M's already, but there's a fresh round. 2 M's. Oh man, almost fell there. 2 M's in each gen. Let's go, bless up. Oh. No! Dang, I was so close to getting away there. Well, I mean, that was a good game. Good game, GG. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss another epic video. Oh my gosh, this dude is wrecking my outro. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!